Imagine paying ₱500,000 every year just to live somewhere you don't fully own, while your neighbor is stuck with a mortgage that's eating up most of their salary. Sounds harsh? That's exactly the reality for thousands of Filipinos in 2026. Today, we're breaking down why renting might actually be smarter than buying a condo in the Philippines, and the numbers don't lie. Property prices in Metro Manila have exploded. A typical 40 to 50 square meter condo now costs anywhere between 6.5 to 10 million pesos. On top of that, interest rates for condo loans are hovering around 8%. That's a monthly amortization of about 80,000 pesos for 20 years. Meanwhile, rents are rising too, but at a slower pace of 5 to 7% per year. For the same location, you can rent a one-bedroom unit for 25,000 to 35,000 pesos per month, or a two-bedroom unit for 35,000 to 50,000 pesos per month. So here's the question. Do you want to lock yourself into a decades-long debt or use that money more smartly? Let's do the math on a typical purchase. Say you buy a 45 square meter condo for 8 million pesos. You put down the standard 20% as a down payment, which is a hefty 1.6 million pesos upfront, a significant sum you'll need saved. Then, you take a 20-year loan at a fixed 8% interest. Your monthly amortization, which is your payment to the bank, comes out to around 55,000 pesos. But that's not all. The costs don't stop there. And this is where many people get caught off guard. You also need to factor in association dues of about 4,000 pesos per month, property tax at 0.75% of the property value per year, which is around 60,000 pesos annually, and maintenance and repairs averaging 3,000 pesos per month. These are the hidden costs many first-time buyers forget. Add those together and your real monthly cost climbs to roughly 62,000 to 65,000 pesos. Multiply that by 12 months, and you're spending nearly 750,000 pesos per year just to service your condo. That's a significant amount of your annual income going towards housing alone, a figure that demands careful consideration before you sign on the dotted line. Now, let's compare that to renting. A similar one-bedroom condo rents for about 30,000 pesos per month, which is 360,000 pesos per year. Even if rent increases 5% annually, you're still spending less than half of what buying would cost. But here's the real kicker. The concept economists call opportunity cost. Instead of being tied up in a property that might depreciate or stay stagnant, your 1.6 million peso down payment could be actively working for you. If you invest that money in a diversified portfolio of dividend stocks yielding 5% annually, you could earn 80,000 pesos per year, completely passively. That's extra cash flow that could cover your rent and still grow over time. For OFWs sending hard-earned money home, the choice becomes even clearer. Why lock your capital into a mortgage in a country where costs keep climbing, when that same money could earn significant returns elsewhere? Renting offers unparalleled flexibility and financial agility. It allows you to move closer to work, switch cities if a better opportunity arises, and even travel without the heavy burden of a fixed, long-term debt holding you back. Many young professionals and families are waking up to this financial reality. The dream of owning a condo isn't inherently bad, but timing, interest rates, and market conditions are critical factors to weigh carefully. Rushing to buy too early, especially in an uncertain market, could mean decades of financial stress and countless missed opportunities for growth. Ultimately, it's about making the smartest, most informed move for your future. Think about it this way. Buying a condo today is like buying a gold-plated cage. Sure, it looks nice, but you're locked in, paying every month, while someone outside the cage is renting, investing, and growing their wealth. With the right strategy, renting can actually give you more freedom and financial upside. You can use the cash you save from lower monthly costs to build a stock portfolio, start a side business, or save aggressively for a future property purchase when prices are more reasonable. Let's look at two real-world examples to make this crystal clear. First, meet Jane, a 30-year-old professional in Makati who bought a 45 square meter condo in 2026. Her total monthly cost, including amortization, dues, and taxes, is a staggering 62,000 pesos. she earns a respectable 80,000 pesos per month after tax. However, this leaves her with only 18,000 pesos for everything else like groceries, commuting, and lifestyle. It's a very tight squeeze with little room for savings or emergencies, creating constant financial pressure. Now, consider Mark, an OFW who sends 40,000 pesos per month home. He rents a similar unit for just 30,000 pesos. He smartly invests his remaining 10,000 pesos plus the savings from his cash down payment in dividend stocks yielding 5% per year. By harnessing the power of compounding, in 5 years, his investments grow passively to nearly 1 million pesos. All this while he still enjoys flexible living arrangements and significantly lower monthly expenses, giving him peace of mind. The difference in their financial futures is clear. So, are you ready to make this powerful strategy work for you? Here are the steps. Step 1. Compare the real cost. Add amortization, taxes, maintenance, and dues before deciding to buy. Step 2. Factor opportunity cost. What else could you do with your down payment? Invest it. Step 3. Analyze rent growth versus property appreciation. In many areas, rent increases are slower than condo price growth, which favors renting. Step 4. Consider lifestyle flexibility. Renting allows you to relocate, upgrade, or downsize without being stuck with a mortgage. Step 5. Invest the difference. Use cash savings and avoided mortgage payments to build a dividend stock portfolio. Your money starts working for you, not the bank. Owning a condo feels like a dream until you realize the cost is more than just money. It's freedom, flexibility, and time. In 2026, renting isn't giving up. Renting is smart. Renting lets your money grow while you live on your terms. So before signing that dotted line, do the math. Don't let pride or tradition trap you in decades of debt. Think smart, live free, and let your money work for you. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with friends and family who are thinking of buying a condo. Let's make smart financial choices together. Here are steps to make this work for you. Step 1. Compare the real cost. Add amortization, taxes, maintenance, and dues before deciding to buy. Step 2. Factor opportunity cost. What else could you do with your down payment? Invest it. Step 3. Analyze rent growth versus property appreciation. In many areas, rent increases are slower than condo price growth, which favors renting. Step 4. Consider lifestyle flexibility. Renting allows you to relocate, upgrade, or downsize without being stuck with a mortgage. Step 5. Invest the difference. Use cash savings and avoided mortgage payments to build a dividend stock portfolio. Your money starts working for you, not the bank.